I have tried a lot of different beard trimmers over the years, but I keep coming back to the Philips OneBlade. What I like most is that it trims, edges, and shaves with the same blade, so I don't need multiple tools. The dual-sided blade makes it easy to shape clean lines, and the cutting technology is fast enough to handle longer hairs without pulling. For me, it's comfortable, quick, and just makes shaving a lot easier.